Have you ever wondered how experts tackle real data challenges? Let's recap our webinar on AI-powered data analysis.
But how would you decide between using a pre-trained AI model versus perhaps training your own? And, what would you think would be the benefits and drawbacks of either one of those?
Of course. So when you're just starting, it's exciting to build something of your own. But I would recommend personally to go with pre-trained AI model. Usually it's way cheaper to start this way than training your own model, which requires millions of curated datasets. And for any startup, this is a very expensive process to get. Obviously, the benefit of having your own is that it constantly improves with the new data, and in the long run, you can cut on a lot of the expensive processes you're running right now. For example, if you collect data with a certain workflow, a well-trained model can replace that, saving you the cost of the collection, but also, to get it to that level, it's going to take you a long time. So you have to decide on your own what funding you have and what works best for your case.
Want to see the full discussion? Watch the webinar recording with the link below.